Zimbabwe will miss about the appointment of General Retired Valerius under the ZANU-PF Politburo. They will cover it as a routine party announcement, a congratulatory graphic, a footnote in the weekend news cycle. They would be wrong. Sarabeda mashiko budanyo kapangwa na chinzi. What Mnangagwa is really saying. Political editor's desk. The Sibanda appointment. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the video icon. Timna unamubudanyo kwa mchinzi. Here is what we see at Third Eye News. Sibanda is not just a retired general being rewarded for long service. He is one of the most institutional, durable figures in Zimbabwe's modern military history. He survived Mugabe. He survived 2017. He quietly continued serving when lesser men scrambled for position. That kind of survival in Zimbabwe's political climate is never accidental. Now Mnangagwa has brought him into the Politburo. Ask yourself why. Ask yourself why now. The timing is not coincidental. We are in the middle of the K3 constitutional debate. The succession question around 2030 is no longer a whisper, it is a roar. And the Mnangagwa tension, which this publication has tracked carefully for months, is at its most delicate inflection point. Into that environment, ED introduces another senior military figure to the Politburo, one whose loyalty profile is distinctly his own, one who is not from Chiwenga's network. This is not addition, this is strategic delusion. Hippie Chiwenga has long represented the singular bridge between Zimbabwe Defense Forces and ZANU-PF, the highest decision-making board. So under the entry creates a second bridge, one that ED controls more directly. For those watching the succession mathematics, this matters enormously. Mnangagwa is not leaving the military political equation to chance or to any single general's ambitions. The pattern is consistent. ED does not like single points of dependency, not in business, not in provinces, and certainly not in the military. Zibanda's Politburo appointment is Mnangagwa quietly but unmistakably reorganizing the board ahead of what promises to be the most consequential political season Zimbabwe has seen since November 2017. The home developments are good pangwa in a pamsur appointment ya Valerio Sibanda. Na comment section media of English deep on service. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.